Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I am going to be doing lots of home improvement today. I don't know where to start. I have a table I want to do. I have this door I want to paint. I have some plants I want to pot. I have the outside area that needs doing. I have some paving that needs doing, some planting. I don't know where to start, but you're gonna see some stuff here today that I really want to do. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump into doing something. You'll have to excuse me guys, I am completely wired. This is my second coffee over there. But yeah, so I love the print in this room, and I'm thinking I am going to do a bit of a switcheroo because I need the TV now, a TV to go on this wall. I wasn't going to replace it because I don't watch a lot of TV, but now that Talia has myopia, that's what the doctor said, being on screens makes it way worse. Like, she doesn't have an iPad or anything like that, but say if I am watching something on TV, sometimes she will use my phone, you know, to watch YouTube or something like that, which has only been really of lately, but I obviously don't want to make her condition any worse than what it is. So I will end up getting another TV for in here so it keeps her off screens. And next year she needs an iPad for school. Yep, when I'm trying to keep her off screens. So anyway, I've been able to avoid it for all this time, but now I have to have one for school. So yeah, that's gonna make it even more of an issue, especially if she's gonna be using my phone when I'm watching TV or something like that. So anyway, I will get the TV. I'm going to put this, and I'm going to deal with this picture. So I'm thinking that this print might actually work on this wall because it needs to be up higher anyway, and the hook's up higher already. So maybe we might change it. And then I think what I might do with this print is put it in the hallway, right down the end of the hallway, which would be nice because there's actually no artwork in there at all. This definitely does not need two pieces of artwork, especially so close together. It just looks ridiculous. Take two. What do you guys think? I don't know. It annoys me that it's not on center. Okay, this is what it all looks like, styled up. I wasn't going to keep these flowers not on there. It kind of just, it takes away from the beautiful print, like the actual picture in it. But anyway, that's what I've got for now, and I think it looks alright. I don't know what you guys think. I did really love the lady print there, but this needs a home somewhere. I will insert where I had it in the kitchen. That would be the only other spot I would put it. But yeah, I like it. It has the blues, which I've got in the pillows. It's got greens and browns, which I've got throughout the house. And I also have a set for my bed as well. So yeah, like it does look, it is gonna look like more part of the room, but yeah, I did love that lady print in here too. So anyway, just a few different angles. Love, love, love it. Change will make it better. There's no one to blame, you see. Maybe we're not meant to be. There are plenty more fish in the sea anyway. Every day's a different thing, so I'm not into wedding rings. It ain't personal's the way I think. Yeah. You know it, nothing lasts forever, and you know it, yeah, that a change will make it better. So I thought I'd share with you a couple of quick house updates. One of something that I just changed in the toilet. Yes, I know the toilet, but it was very, very cluttered. So I wanted like a thing from Kmart. I didn't end up buying it, but I wanted like this thing to store like your toilet paper, and I thought I could store my cleaners in there rather than my toilet paper. But I think that it would have just been so big in there, like it would have only just fit, so it would have just sort of overtaken it and looked ridiculous. So I'll show you what I did. So this is my glorious toilet. If you haven't seen it, it obviously needs painting majorly. Anyway, so all these cleaning products were like all over the floor. So I've got Domestos, and I had these like toilet wipes, and I just put pads in there. But I can take them out now, but I did just put pads in there because it was easier for me then to go to the bathroom. But yeah, I just put them all in here. So this was a bin that was in Charlie's room, and it actually matches the toilet roll holder that I had anyway. So I didn't have to buy anything new. Oh, there's a toilet roll. I bet the cat did that. So yeah, I didn't have to buy anything new, which was absolutely amazing. And that just sort of contained all the mess. And I know you can see it still, but it's so much better because there was just mess all over the floor and it just looks super cluttered. So yeah, highly advised anyone, you know, because I don't have a linen closet. There's a linen closet right here. I'd probably still keep a cleaner in here, but maybe I wouldn't keep like excess toilet paper and stuff. But yeah, I'll always have a cleaner and a toilet brush and a bin, but that's it. And this is something that I did buy. I killed the chrysanthem, which was here. My dad bought me a beautiful pink chrysanthem for Mother's Day. And after the flowers died off, I thought I'll replant it, and I never did. And it died, and I felt really bad because my dad bought it for me. But yeah, I ended up getting, this is just a geranium. I don't particularly like the smell of geraniums, I'll be really, really honest with you, but I wanted something that was super hardy because I will kill it, and something to match with the mat here because that's got pink stripes on it, and that's what I liked about it so much. Excuse it is absolutely filthy, but yeah, that's my other update. I think it looks really cute. So my original plan for today was to actually paint this door, and I did need to do a little bit of like filling in here, but I decided that I was just going to paint it and do the filling later because yeah, I couldn't be bothered, A, and B, I was going to have to do another coat over it anyway, but I went to the shed and the stain blocker was completely hard. So yeah, that took the idea out of the day. I was very excited to be able to see this door finally painted, like with a stain blocker. It would look pretty good. But yeah, anyway, that's a task for another day now. The next thing I wanted to do was to deal with these plants. There was lots of babies in here, and they may have died. Yeah, I'm a horrible plant mum, and this one here was so root bound or something. It just needed to be repotted, so I just needed to find a pot that was going to fit there so I could put it back into its spot. And that was my task of, well, one of my tasks of the afternoon. Now, I'd like to say I had lots of luck when I was repotting, but I really didn't. The one in the bathroom was definitely root bound, and I'm not great with plants, and I know that you kind of need to separate the roots a bit, and I was finding it really hard. Like, I didn't want to damage the plant, so I could have definitely separated them more, and I should have. And then when I did go to put it back in the bathroom, you'll see it looks just as terrible as what it did previously, you know, in that tiny pot. But anyway, I did that, and then I ended up potting the other 2 babies. I have no idea how many I had, but I had way more than 2 babies. But yeah, I as I said, I got lazy and I didn't
plant them when I should have, and they kind of just died. And the cat also liked to play with them and drink out of the water. Yep, he has his own water and water fountain, but he'll still do that. So this is what I mean. If you have a look at the plant, you'll see that he's like really hung forward like to one side, like he's so floppy. It's not good. It's not like normally when a plant is doing sort of growing to one side, I'll actually just turn the pot because I know that it's trying to find the sun. But this, I feel like it's because it's root bound, like it's really stuck. I might get my dad to have a look because he's like the plant genius. If you see, I need to go out there and show you guys his garden one day. It is absolutely spectacular. And this is where I ended up putting the spider plants. I ended up making like a really cute little grouping there. I think it'd be nice with the window for the current time being. But yeah, let's see how we go, because the cat may end up chewing the spider plant, and I have been told that the spider plants make cats high. I don't know if it's true or not. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, he does like to go to the bathroom and have a chew sometimes. So as you can see, I have one giant appliance here. She's mammoth, and I'm not going to use it every day. And you can see, well, it's actually pretty messy, but I don't have room for it on my bench. I don't want it out because I'm not using it every day. So I need to find room for this somewhere. And it's very, very annoying. I did get gifted this. I must admit, I didn't pay for it. And I did mention to a friend that I'd love to have one, but I just don't have room. And then they gifted to me and said, early Christmas present, here you go. And I was like, thanks. I'm like, and where on earth am I going to put this? So now it's become my problem.
I've got naughty hair, but my friends still put stuff in it though.
Yeah, her friend's just left, hasn't she?
It's red and blue.
You know, no one's seen your glasses yet. Show them. You're so pretty. She looks gorgeous in her glasses. She does have makeup on today though, because she wanted to look like Wednesday. So I did some eye makeup on her.
I think the lipstick came off. We have black lipstick on.
It did, didn't it? Yeah. All right, you can turn your music on and Mummy will keep doing her bits, okay? This was also the other new addition, and I'm actually excited about it, believe it or not, because I love to reuse, recycle. So yeah, I was excited about getting my little green bin, but again, another thing I've got to find a place for.
Towards the color that lies within. Nothing between you and I. Still you right there under my skin. I've been waiting.
I must say, I love this feature because it's for the cord. So it keeps the cord nice and neat. How good's that? It's a little things, isn't it? Oi! I just cleaned it. Ouch! I just cleaned it, now I've got cords everywhere. Mr. Whiskey. Mr. Whiskey, woo woo.
Give me that.
There was a silence deep inside, held on a wish and gone with the wind. A whisper, just give me a sign, 'cause I'm right here, beyond and within.
pet hate is doing stuff like this, because I feel like it should just be decluttered. But anyway, I've done it, I've boxed it up, and it's going to go in the garage for now, and then I will declutter the garage, and then I will work out what I'm going to do with this, whether I'm going to keep it or not. But yeah, so I'll share with you what it looks like. Maybe on this side. So this is it here. I have all the lunchbox supplies in here, and I've also got them in the back there because it's school holidays. This is pretty chockers, but I also have like the lunch boxes and that already getting washed, like they're drying in the dishwasher. And then down the bottom here, I've got still got a slow cooker there, which I could have put in the shed too. And then I've got lids, glass containers, and this one here is also going to be glass containers because you guys know I bulk prep. So yeah, I bulk prep, I bulk cook, so I need all that stuff. And we are like a lower, trying to be zero waste sort of household, so that's why there's so many containers. And then this is what under the sink looks like. My blenders here, I am planning on starting to use that again now. Now it's coming into the nicer weather, and I want to make some chia seed puddings, but I hate the gooiness of it, so I usually blend them in the blender and it comes out good. And then I've got my new green waste bin for food scraps, which I'll be 100% using when I do my food prep and bulk cooking. And in the back I've got the spiralizer, and then the air fryer. And then this is just the same as what was there. So dishwashers, tablets, plastic bag, sponges, and then you've got your steel wool in there. And then on the top here I have drying mat and another drying thing as well. So that's pretty much it. I decluttered all the gloves that were there because I wasn't using them. They were old and gross, so they were gone. And yeah, it's looking heaps better than what it was. That's much tidier. Yeah, looking way better than what it was. Okay, it is too nice of a day for me not to go outside, so I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and there will be heaps more outdoorish kind of content coming up. I do want to do again another summer ready series, so yeah, I think that's what I'll be working on today. But I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bells, because I'm not posting every week, so make sure you do that, because I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family, and I love and appreciate everybody who comes to join me on this channel. And of course I'll catch up with you as soon as I can. I'll see you then. Bye.